Hi. In this guide we will talk about how you can convert any audio format into MP3 and make it compatible with your car audio system or portable media players. As you might already be aware that some audio systems only support MP3 audio format. Converting audio files from any other format to MP3 is quite easy and simple. Now, as you can see, I have already downloaded a sample audio file which is in FLC audio format. Yours can be in any other format as well, but don't worry, the method of converting audio format will remain same. Now open your favorite web browser, search for Shutter Encode and visit its website. This software is available for both Mac and Windows. We are using Windows, so download Windows Setup. When download complete, install the software. After installation completed, open it. Now select the audio file which you want to convert. In my case, I will be using FLAC format audio file. Select the MP3 format. You can choose other formats as well of your liking and can customize bitrate as well. After that, just click on Start. As you can see, file is successfully converted in MP3 format. That's all. Hope you will like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.